The Avix adjustable standing desk can transform your workflow and help improve your health and posture. Assembly is easy enough for anyone to do it and should only take about 10 to 20 minutes. Before we begin, carefully place all of the components of the desk on your work area. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver for this easy installation. We recommend setting up on a blanket, rug, or any other carpeted area to prevent scratching. Carefully place the tabletop onto your flat and non-abrasive surface. Using the M6x16 hexagon screws, secure the columns to the pre-installed frame. Repeat this on both sides. After both table columns have been attached to the frame, use the 4mm Allen wrench and the M6x16 hexagon screws to attach the feet to both columns. Before installing the controller, remove the box taped to the desktop. Then, with the ST 4.8x13 pan head screws, secure the control box onto the desktop using the pre-drilled holes. Find the motor and power cables provided with the desk. The motor cables arrive in the positions of their corresponding sockets. There should be 6 connections in total. Connect the motor cables together and the power cables into the control boxes. The control panel cable will also connect into one of the sockets on a control box. After ensuring the cables have been properly installed and all screws are tightened, carefully flip the table onto its feet with a friend's help. Your new standing desk must be initialized before your first use. Using the control panel, press and hold the up and down arrows simultaneously for 6 seconds. The LED display should show 3 blinking zeros. Your desk will then start moving, first to the lowest position at 28 inches, then to the highest at 48 inches. Once the desk displays the number 38, the initialization has been completed. To program a preset height, first use the arrow buttons to set the desk to your desired height. Then hold down the M button and the number button you'd like to save it with until the displayed height starts blinking. To go to your preset height, press the number button twice, or press and hold. Now your Avix standing desk is fully set up and ready to use. Feel free to follow and keep up with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.